Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your phone number on Signal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign into your Signal account. Now on your screen, you're gonna find options like chats, calls, search bar, camera, new message, and your user icon. You have to go to your user icon on the top left corner, then go to settings. Under settings, you're gonna find privacy halfway through your screen, right below notification. Go there. Then you can see the first option there is phone number. Tap on the phone number. There you can see who can see my number option and who can find me by my number option. All you have to do is tap on nobody under who can see my number. Once you do that, who can find me by my number should be selected to nobody as well, and tap on OK. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide your phone number on Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.